These potato cakes are super crunchy on the outside and soft and delicious in the middle. This recipe makes 22 potato cakes. You'll need 9 potatoes, half a large cauliflower, 1 cup frozen peas, 2 spring onions, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of curry powder, 1 cup gluten-free and vegan breadcrumbs, half a cup sesame seeds, and salt and pepper to taste. Start off by peeling and chopping potatoes. Make sure the pieces are roughly the same size so they cook at the same time. Remove the florets from the cauliflower and cut into pieces. Boil the potatoes until soft. Cook the cauliflower until soft also. Drain the potatoes and cauliflower and let cool for about 10 minutes before mixing in the other ingredients. Add salt and pepper to your taste. Combine all the ingredients. Now the best way to get the desired texture is by using your hands. The best tool. It's the way my mum taught me and it always works. Now what you're looking for is for the ingredients to be combined and for it to be soft but not too smooth. You still want a fair bit of texture. Now for the crispy coating, combine your breadcrumbs and sesame seeds. Season to taste. Wet your hands with warm water before forming the patties. This will prevent the mixture from sticking to your hands. Make sure the potato cakes are generously coated in the crumb. Cook for 40 minutes, then turn the potato cakes and cook for a further 10 minutes. These potato cakes are so crunchy that it's hard to believe they're not fried. I hope you like this recipe video. For more videos like this, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.